Okay, this is Jessica. We are starting to hike up the mountain. Here we go.
Here we go. Oh, yeah.
Got Madeline and Catherine behind me. They're going to help narrate.
Of course we are. Oh, yeah.
I made both of them drink really big bottles of water, so they have to pee really bad. And so they're cursing me since they don't want to go to the porta potty. But I'm thinking it might be a possibility.
I would rather go to the one at the church, because I don't want to pour any water in there. And then flush it.
Chickens.
Chicken.
That's for you, Laurel.
Yeah, Laurel. You'd love it here. There's lots of chickens. Lots. And dogs. But you can't pet those.
No.
I feel like it's like steeper going up than it was.
It is.
It is.
It is steeper going up.
It magically slides up. Or flips up while we're doing work. Because I think we haven't gotten enough exercise to get this around.
Okay, I'm going to put the video camera away because there's dogs. And I want to be prepared.